Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lesson is parts of speech. Sentence number 1. Allah made a sweet apple. In this sentence, Allah is noun, proper noun. Made is verb, a is article, sweet is adjective. Describe the apple. Apple is noun, a thing. Sentence number 2. Juicy mango is tasty. Juicy is adjective. Mango is noun, is verb, linking verb, tasty adjective. Sentence number 3. I eat healthy food. In this sentence, I is pronoun, eat verb, healthy adjective, and food is noun. Sentence 4. I eat a fresh carrot. In this sentence, I is pronoun, eat is verb, a is article, determiner. Fresh is adjective, and carrot is noun.